We are a logistics platform na nag-help sa mga food business owners na right now is to expand their products nationwide. So aside from that, we provide business management tools like from starting from POS to payroll system and other tools, AI chatbots, etc. So nag-start kami 2021. So that was pandemic pa noon. So maraming ang nakita namin sa mga merchants before was they were blinded by their operations, business operations. So we have existing system kasi we have our software company naman. So we develop the system and then we add delivery service na. Sa mga local businesses is limited yung reach, mahal yung mga commission fees na existing delivery service providers. They don't have business management solutions na ginagamit. Tapos, right now, yung sinosolve namin is yung scaling ng kanilang mga product.